Alright, hello, and so I'm showing you how to sprint in Life of Survival game. Updated, so guys, I figured out how to do this in 0.4 alpha, 0.4 alpha Minecraft PE, guys, over here, you see in the corner. Alright, so you need to, of course, have Block Launcher, and you need to go into, so you need to go in Block Launcher, of course, you need to go to your mods, and make sure you have, here are the mods you'll need. What is that mod? I don't know what that mod is. You'll need the sprint and crouch mod, of course, if you want to sprint. Which you can get from... Sorry, that's screen the sideways, guys. We can get from mods for Minecraft P. What is in the Play Store, and you also make sure you get Block Launcher, of course. Then, you know, actually go to mods for 0.9 and 10. It still works for 0.10. And go to all mods, you know, all mods, and it should be at the very bottom. Sprint crouch mod. Download it, install it, you know. Then, you know, you go in Block Launcher. You go in Block Launcher, enable it. Then you'll be like, oh yes, I'm so happy. You know, you go in Lifeboat. You're so happy. And then, ignore that, because that's a different mod I have on. You know, you go to run, and you cannot run, and you're like, what? And you don't see the run thing over here, because it shows a little thing over here, and you get really mad. You're like, why is it not working? Why is it not working? And you get pretty mad right there. That's what gets you, and you're like, oh man, it doesn't even work, because you know it's not over there. So what you need to do, wait, I'm just gonna test something, guys. I'm just gonna test something. Sprint. Okay, I just wondering. Never mind. Okay. So what you need to do, you need to have one world created without a server. So you just need to go into a regular world, basically, and you know how, and then it'll show the, you know, the sprint crouch thing over here. I just have a random world right here. Then it'll actually show the sprint. Where's all my saplings at? And then it will actually show the sprint crouch thing. It's the sprint thing, you know, and you'll start running. All you have to do is actually make sure you don't turn it off. Make sure you don't turn it off, okay? Make sure you don't turn it off. Just go back to click the title. And sometimes it will glitch out, and you'll still see the thing right here. But it's pretty cool. I think it's still cool. Like you'll sometimes exit the world, and it'll show the thing right here. What happens sometimes was pretty cool, like it was happening on my other phone. And then, you know, you need to go into a lifeboat, and guess what? This one doesn't always work. The one that I play on, yeah, it doesn't always work. I'm just going in the lifeboat. Winter games. I'll let it load, and then guess what? You can sprint now. So you just always, whenever you're gonna play, look, you sprint now. So if you're just gonna play, you just have to whoa, that's kind of weird. You just have to enable, whoa, everything looks so weird. You just have to go to the, you know, without a thing, and just enable it that. What you just seen, guys. So, hope you guys this did work. Hope you guys did help, guys. If it did help, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. That's all you need to do. It should help you a lot, guys. So, what I said, you know, you need to have all those mods installed. You just need to go to a regular world and press the sprint thing, even though I already am sprinting. No, just pretend I pressed it, and it says walk. You just exit it, don't turn in, just exit the long server. Well, this one doesn't really work sometimes. It's my favorite. That's the one I like to play on with you guys. And then, you know, you just click, you know, just go on Hunger Games. You know, you're like, alright, let's see if it works, and it should. And, yeah. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Let me know if it does not work or you're having a problem. Please like, comment, and subscribe for some more. I'll see you later. Bye! Whoa. So you were flying. Alright. Bye, guys.